Mrs. Triveni, who has been working in our institute for 20 years. She is handling mathematics for lower primary. She is graduate in mathematics. Thanks ma'am, thanks sir. Next I invite Shailaja ma'am. Shailaja ma'am, who is handling kindergarten section. She has done NTT course. Also, she is graduate. She has been working for 17 years in our institute.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು
Thanks ma'am.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪೋಷಕರು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿ.
Next I would like to invite Bhagya ma'am. Bhagya ma'am, who is handling kindergarten section in our institute for 15 years. She has done her NTT course. Thanks ma'am. Next I would like to invite Mr. Tippaswamy, who has been working in our institute for 15 years. He is handling Kannada for higher primary. He has done double graduation, one in Kannada and one in history. He has done post graduation. Thank you sir. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Ratna. Mrs. Ratna, who has been working in our institute for 8 years. She is handling social in lower primary. She has done her MA in history. Thank you ma'am. Next I would like to invite Chandana ma'am. Chandana ma'am, who has been working in our institute for 7 years. She works as a Kannada teacher in lower primary. She has done her BA in Kannada. Thank you ma'am. Now I will invite Mr. Sampath sir. Sampath sir, who has been working in our institute for 6 years. He is our headmaster. He is expert in mathematics. He has completed his MSc in mathematics and he is handling mathematics for high school. Next I would like to invite Mrs. Trupti. Mrs. Trupti, who has been working in our institute for 5 years. She is handling social for high school. She has done her MA BEd in social. Thank you ma'am. Next I would like to invite Mrs. Kishori. Mrs. Kishori, who has been working for 3 years in our institute. She is handling English in lower primary section. She is graduate in English. Thanks ma'am. I would like to invite Mary ma'am. Mary ma'am, who is handling kindergarten section. She has experience of 15 years in teaching. Thank you ma'am. Now I would like to invite Mr. Anand sir, who has been working in our institute for 3 years. He is handling Kannada in high school. He has given the best result 100 out of 100 last year. He has done MA BEd in Kannada. Next I would like to invite Mrs. Komala Mani ma'am. Komala Mani ma'am, who is handling first standard. She has experience of almost 15 years. Thanks ma'am. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Soumya. Mrs. Soumya, Mrs. Soumya, who is working as a social teacher in higher primary section. She is the best discipline teacher in our school. She has done her MA BEd in social. Thank you ma'am. Next I invite Mr. Kumar. Mr. Kumar, who is physical education teacher in our institution. He has done post graduation in physical education. Thank you sir. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Shantama. Mrs. Shantama, who is handling English for higher primary section. She has experience of 15 years in teaching. She has done BA BEd in English. Thank you ma'am. Next I would like to invite Mrs. Vandana. Mrs. Bandana, who is handling Hindi in high school. She is MA BEd in Hindi. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Monica. Mrs. Monica, who is working as a science teacher in higher primary. She is MSc in organic chemistry. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I invite Mrs. Suma. Mrs. Suma, who is handling computer science. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Shri Pallavi. Mrs. Shri Pallavi, who is handling science for lower primary. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Gayatri. Mrs. Gayatri, who is handling mathematics for higher primary. She has done graduation in mathematics. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I invite Mr. Ravi, who is handling mathematics for high school. He is MSc in mathematics. Thank you, sir. Next, I invite Mrs. Leelavati. Mrs. Leelavati, who is as an assistant teacher for lower kindergarten section. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I invite Miss Kavita. Miss Kavita. She is a Montessori teacher. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I invite Mrs. Ansu. Mrs. Ansu, who is handling Hindi for lower primary.
Bhavani ma'am, I'm only not there. Bhavani ma'am. Next, Bhavani.
Next, I would like to invite Bhavani ma'am.
Next, you stop, I'll invite you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, I'll invite.
Next, I invite Mrs. Pallavi.
Why after Pallavi?
Mrs. Pallavi, who works as an office assistant. Thank you, ma'am.
Now invite Mayuri ma'am, who is handling high school science, MSc and BEd organic science. Now I call Divya ma'am, who is handling accounts in our school. Now I'll run all the ways. First, Mariamma. She has been working in our school for 10 years. Mariamma. Next, Amrita miss you call. Next, Amrita ma'am. Muniamma. Amrita ma'am is handling Hindi for lower primary section. Thanks, ma'am. Muniamma, she has been working in our school for 10 years. Thanks, Muniamma. Here I would like to say thanks a lot to our founder secretary of Saint Philomena's group of institution to honor the teacher. Never seen her in any other school. First time I am going through the such a honor that our principal and our secretary are honoring us. Really, it was a great experience, sir. Thanks a lot again. Next, I would like to call here Dakshayani Amma. She is working for 2 years here. Not there. Next, Jhansi Rani Amma. As they are busy in work. Next, Ashok Anna, Raju Anna, Santosh, Raju Anna, sir. Next, Ashok Anna. Next, Jhansi Rani Amma. Jhansi Rani Amma, working for 2 years. Next, Dakshayani Amma. Dakshayani Amma, she is also working for 2 years in our institute. They are the helping hands in maintaining our institution. Next, Santosh. Next, Madan brother. Sangeeta. Next is Sangeeta. Subramaniam sir. She is Sangeeta. Santosh brother. Babu Pradeep. Santosh brother, Babu Pradeep. Next, Babu. Pradeep. Next, Narayanappa. Thanks everyone. Now here here is a session of group photo of all our dignitaries and our teachers.
This year we have conducted sports events for Montessori 2 till 4th standard on 28th February 2017 for the academic year 2016-17, and the prize distribution will be given on Friday in the school premises. And we also conducted sports for the parents. So even this prize will be distributed on Friday in the school premises because there is no time, so we are going to distribute on Friday. Thank you, parents.
want to perform a wonderful dance.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की
All parents clap.
भोली सी आशा। चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। चांद का